dirty?
He's dirty. Does he need a bath?
A bath?
What else happened to him?
I pushed. Mommy, Mama, Mini, Mighty Mo. The cold is on the car.
They're broken. Can you fix it?
It's going to move.
Can you fix the car?
Daddy's shaking.
What happened?
He's shaking.
Zoe, what happened to your car?
Okay.
What happened to your car?
What?
What happened to him?
David?
What?
David.
You fixed it? Is he ready to drive again?
Mommy, Zoe's zip. Zoe's zip.
Oh, zip.
Mommy, Mini, Mighty Mo, I will go wherever we go. Mama, Mini. We did it.
Good job. You gotta fix it, Zoe.
Mommy, don't do it for Ray.
You gotta fix your car, though.
No, come back here. Come back. Little bit of princess.